Hello, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today lesson is ta, dha, ain, ghain. Okay. First lesson, previous lesson we repeat. Okay. Today daily repeat. Okay. This is lesson plus lesson. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاء سين شين صاد ضاد. And today lesson, today there ta, 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 and there is no dot, and there is dot. This is wa, za, za. There is a ta, and this is two dot ta. Okay, ta and ta, difference. Okay, this is no one different. Okay, ta, za, za, ta, za, ta, za, ta, za, ta, za. Next is ain, 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 ain. There is مد عارض وقفي لين, مد عارض لين. Okay, ya and wow, this is lean alphabets. Okay, very softly. Okay, if this is wow sakin and ya sakin. Okay, ain, and this is ghain, 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 ghain. This is no dot, and there are lean, ya lean. Okay, ain, ghain, ain, ghain, ta, za, ain, ghain, ta, za, ain, ghain. And use alif ba ta ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاء سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ضاء عين غين طاء ضاء عين غين طاء ضاء عين غين. Okay, this is our lesson, and next wait for next lesson number 6. Okay, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.